The next book we're going to read is If I Could Drive a Crane. My name is Tyler. I think that playing with trucks is best. My favorite truck is the crane. I like to pretend that my crane is lifting and moving a heavy load of logs. What if I could drive a crane? I would move heavy loads from one place to another, and that's what cranes are for. There are lots of different kinds of cranes, but I would drive them all. A truck crane has wheels and can go anywhere. A regular truck can go. I drive it through the highway to get to a construction site. Before I use my truck crane, I have to put down the special legs called outriggers. These strong metal legs help keep the crane steady when I'm lifting big loads. Now my truck crane is ready to work. I can extend the crane's arm to make it bigger. I can also rotate the crane to move a load from one place to another. When I attach a big bucket to the end of the crane's main cable, I can use the crane to dig gravel. A truck has brought a huge bundle of lumber to the construction site. I attach grappling tines to the end of the crane's cable. Now my truck crane can unload the lumber. Then I can move it to where it's needed. By attaching a large magnet to the end of the cable, my truck crane can lift heavy pieces of steel. Construction beams and girdles are the first parts used when a new building is started. With its magnet, the crane can move many parts, no problem. Another kind of crane is the crawler crane. It doesn't have wheels like a truck crane. Instead, a crawler crane moves on special treads, just like a bulldozer. These treads help the crawler crane work in soft, muddy areas. I'm using my crawler crane to help remove fallen trees from a flooded area. For the biggest and heaviest loads of all, I use a bridge crane. It's also called a Granty crane. A bridge crane's legs are very tall and fall apart. I use my bridge crane at a seaport. There, I unload big, heavy crates from arriving ships. I lift the crates out of the ships, then place them on the flatbed trucks that drive them away. My bridge crane can swivel to move its load. It can also move its load by rolling along the tracks, just like a train. But a bridge crane moves slowly, and the trains move really fast. My wrecking crane is used for a very special job. I use it to knock down old walls or crumbling buildings. A big, heavy wrecking ball hangs from the crane's main cable. Another cable, which I control, pulls the wrecking ball back. When I let it go, it swings and knocks the wall down. I'd use all kinds of cranes for the kind of jobs if I could drive a crane. And that was If I Could Drive a Crane.